Mom, do you know it's Jair's grad, like, tomorrow?
At least, Angelica, that's good. He finished tomorrow. Even do that, you know, congratulations for him.
What are you talking about?
What I'm talking about? Binagak man na sa Angelica na what I'm talking about. I told her that I congratulate JR that's finished.
Okay.
You know?
What's so bad?
At least, he never punished me. Ma'am, drop me to school because he don't know how to walk. You know, Angelica, when we are a kid, we walk. It's limited transportation. You ask you to walk then, you don't. You know that it's a good fun to walk.
That's not my problem.
It's not my problem, Angelica. If you can, before when we are a kid, we see the tree, we climb the tree. If we saw the mountain, we roll the mountain. If we saw the water on the road, we jump on the road. Fun. You know, fun. A lot of adventure along the way. Fun. If we saw the thing, we are playing hide and seek on the thing. It's not funny. That's true. Oh. At least we're having a fun. Your generation is boring, you know? Oh my goodness,
Did you see the mama? The aswang in the bush?
I never seen that. If I seen that one, Angelica, maybe I will share a lot for you, but I never seen that aswang. Aswang is on your brain. Aswang. Aswang itsura mo, ma'am. Baka pa aswang, dugaga ka. You know, Angelica, you want me to tell you the story how I climb on the tree, mountain, and everything? Go ahead. Just imagine, I asked them to walk. They don't know how to walk. They said it's too far away. My goodness, this is the way that they missed like this. You just imagine, look, when I was a kid before, when we saw the mountain, we crawl and we crawl and we jump and we jump. Oh my God, there's a mountain in there. Goodness, these kids. See, you just imagine that. This is the way that they miss. Imagine mo sa una, paglakat namon, may harap bukid, mag-crawl like this, mag-crawl like this. Oh my God! Oh my God! See, you just imagine that? Hindi nila na-experience sa kabuhay nila kay mga tamad. You just imagine, sang gamay kami, nagasaka kami sa kahoy amusin. Baw, di puga. Subong mga kabataan, hindi ka balo magsaka sa kahoy. Imagine mo na, mga kabataan, hindi ka balo. Tudluan mo pa, wala gid. Oh my gosh, too big! Oh my gosh, when I was a kid, when we saw this one, we are playing, don't have a time for that bloody stupid iPad, you know? But now the kids, they don't know how to play. We have a fun. Oh my goodness, before we crawl and we do like this and we play with all our friends. And now, my goodness, the kids is busy with the bloody stupid iPad. And then you ask them to walk, they don't know how to walk. Look, how fun is this? How fun is that? You just imagine when we are walking at school, we're having a fun. It's like we do like that. Yay! It's like that. We're having a fun with all of our friends. My God! Oh my gosh, there's a tunnel. When we are a kid, when we go to school, when we saw this, my goodness, we're having fun. My gosh, we're having play here. We're jumping, we're kicking, like that. My goodness, we have been playing hide and seek. Mga kabataan subong, there's nothing. This is the way that we do like this in the school. We're having fun. Kiddies, I don't know how their life is. That is my story, Angelica. Nagbinaghak na naman ka.
You're so stupid.
What's stupid?
What the heck?
What's the heck?